Runway AI is an innovative platform designed to make advanced artificial intelligence accessible to everyone, from artists and designers to engineers and content creators. At its core, Runway provides a suite of AI-powered tools that help users create, edit, and manipulate audio, images, videos, and text with remarkable ease. Unlike traditional complex AI systems that demand extensive coding knowledge, Runway features a user-friendly interface, often supporting drag-and-drop interactions and straightforward workflows. One of its primary capabilities is video editing using generative AI models. Users can transform video styles, remove backgrounds, add or erase objects, even generate entirely new scenes, often with nothing more than simple prompts or mouse clicks. This level of simplification changes the game for video creators, who previously relied on time-consuming manual processes or expensive software. Runway also integrates with other creative software and platforms, making it easy to enhance projects without leaving your preferred workspace. For example, designers can use Runway models in tandem with Adobe Photoshop or After Effects, expanding creative possibilities beyond conventional limits. Behind the scenes, Runway leverages cutting-edge machine learning models such as Stable Diffusion, Gen 1, and Gen 2. These engines enable image generation from text, intelligent video editing, advanced green screen effects, and more. The platform additionally supports collaboration, allowing teams to share and iterate on projects in real time. In summary, Runway AI democratizes powerful creative AI, turning previously technical tasks into approachable and intuitive processes. Whether you're a professional editor, a digital artist, or simply someone experimenting with new media, Runway offers a gateway to the limitless potential of artificial intelligence in creative fields.